Have you ever wondered if Swift has short-circuiting higher-order functions like any or all? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this intriguing question and exploring how Swift handles these scenarios. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're familiar with higher-order functions like map, filter, and reduce, but you can't find equivalents for short-circuiting checks. You're not alone in this confusion. Many developers have faced the same question. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked if Swift has any functions like any or all that return a Boolean and short circuit when a condition is met. They provided an example with a collection of objects and a property called isFulfilled. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does this mean for Swift? In languages like C#, you can use any to quickly check if any items meet a condition without checking the entire collection. This can be a huge performance boost, especially with large data sets. Let's see how Swift approaches this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a neat workaround that can help you achieve similar functionality in Swift. To check if any object in a collection has the property isFulfilled set to false, the user can use the contains method in Swift. This method will allow for short-circuiting behavior. If the user wants to check if all objects are fulfilled, they can use the allSatisfy method. This method will also short-circuit when it finds an object that does not meet the condition. Both contains and allSatisfy methods are efficient for large collections, as they stop processing as soon as the condition is met. This is similar to the any method in C#. In summary, Swift does provide short-circuiting higher-order functions. The user can utilize contains for checking any condition and allSatisfy for checking all conditions. Fun fact, the concept of short-circuit evaluation isn't just limited to programming languages. It's also a strategy in decision-making. Sometimes you just need to know when to stop. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach in Swift is to use the lazy property of a collection. This allows you to filter the collection without evaluating all elements at once. You can check if any object has isFulfilled set to false by using lazy filtering and checking the first result. This method isn't exactly the same as short-circuiting, but it can provide a similar benefit when working with higher-order functions in Swift. For more details, you can refer to Apple's documentation on lazy collections. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. One alternative approach is to create a custom protocol called fulfilled item. This protocol includes a property called isFulfilled. By making your objects conform to this protocol, you can cast your array to an array of fulfilled item. Then you can use the contains method to check if any object has isFulfilled set to false, which will short-circuit the evaluation. Here's that neat workaround I promised. If you want to check for multiple conditions, you can chain contains calls or use a combination of filter and isEmpty to achieve similar results. And there you have it. While Swift doesn't have direct equivalents to any or all, you can still achieve similar functionality with the contains method. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks on Swift programming.